Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MIZO Education Hub. Ami video ahiyan questions ka solve don lo, but a very important notification and a golden opportunity. 14,582 total posts are there. SSC CGL examination 2025. Hemi exam ahiyan. A very renowned and respectful posts are there. Okay, Niminan release. Hemi video here detail the win ka explain vek dona enkim. What will be the age requirement, educational qualification, pattern, question paper po pakat ka muchaw a cutoffs the po previous year cutoff, total number of form applicants, yes, total number of candidates ang applied, and syllabus also. Everything will be covered and I will explain in a detailed way. So masabera chon vacancy kai 14,582 vacancy. So first, date of submission of online application started from yesterday and nearly July thing I apply thei dona. A last date and time for receipt of online application Zandar som pakatleng 4th July 2025. Last date and time for making online fee payment. Yes, online fee payment 1 day extra and pachina. Dates of window for application form correction including online payment. In correction at the time of filling the application form on Juan, window and open letrina 9th July to 11th July zandar som pakat. Incorrect theyang. A tentative schedule for Tier 1 examination, computer-based multiple choice question, objective type questions, 13th August to 30th August 2025. This will be the examination date for Tier 1. Tier 2 tan ke patam dona, so preparation chu kai chatawin prepare tay don boka. Tu na trangin han calculate la voinni so maniatro 20 days June and July 31 and 13. So roughly 65 days ala banga, 65 days ala banga, hunju ala and tirnan fill nuwa in admit karta 30 August in each one. Extra 17 days in air them 65 ahian. If you have any doubt in shiathiam lo chuan, toll free number po hayan provider in sothya. Group A le Group D post ngailewa, only Group B and Group C. All the name of post are mentioned here. So masabara, this is the highest level 7 job. Level 7 post pakateten ka tihianin muvetenga assistant section officer. And age limit very important 20 to 30, but age relaxation classification Group B, Group B, Group B, Group B, Central Secretariat Service, Intelligence Bureau IB, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of External Affairs, AFHQ Armed Force Headquarters, Civil Service, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, other ministries, department, organization, CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes. Group C ani so in mutenga Inspector of Income Tax, Assistant Section Officer, Assistant Section Officer. So these are the name of various posts. Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs. All the posts are very interesting and amazing. So in applying Assistant Enforcement Officer DE, Directorate of Enforcement, Department of Revenue, Sub-Inspector in CBI, Inspector in Ministry of Communication, Inspector in Bureau of Narcotics, Ministry of Finance, Section Head, Director General of Foreign Trade. And these posts are classified under Level 6, ASO, Assistant Section Officer, Executive Assistant, Research Assistant, Divisional Accountant, Sub-Inspector, Junior Officer. All are Group B posts. And their pay level hai tayan mutenga 35,400 to 1,12,400. Level 5 posts. Jo po CAG, CGDA, Enkim unmentioned. Vec age limit po hilo focus like 18 to 27. But relaxation will be there. These are level 4 posts. Postal Assistant, Sorting Assistant, Senior Secretariat, Upper Division Clerk, UDC, Senior Administrative Assistant, Tax Assistant, Sub-Inspector. These are the ministries, okay, and department. Tapohian 18 to 27 ani without age relaxation. Age limit is on 108 2025 final year aspirants final year students in each one apoilo in apply thai okay ta hian age relaxation po general a chun engma age relaxation om ngai lowa SC/ST 5 years 5 years som zia chu hei ta hian an tinan 27 a panga in add mai don ya okay tiambok chon 30 years tro so 18 to 35 years obviously non criminal 3 years and pathum nahi persons with benchmark disabilities 10 years direct unreserved OBC 13 years and SC/ST 15 years ex-serviceman 3 years age relaxation after deduction of military service rendered from the actual age on 1 August 2025. Now application fee is 100 rupees ma saying woman candidate and candidates belonging to ST/SC persons with benchmark disabilities ex-servicemen for reservation are exempted from payment of fee. So engma pe kangai lawa modification ahian antinan engamo dei incorrection a omchuan 3 days huna anpechina at the time of correction zani pe kangai dona okay masing lauti diklole ta ula 500 pe kangaya centers for examination centers are chuan hein muthenga examination centers and center code. Mizoram actually comes under northeastern region Mizoram. Aizola po center omas silchara po center omas in apply. It will be quite convenient for you. Chumizwa subject now exam pattern engelo chuachin general intelligence and reasoning waitam tak ka YouTube channel apo in solve trina tro in practice trina in view trina. So I mean, in familiar tukang general intelligence and reasoning, both verbal, non-verbal type question achuak trina, and all the questions are multiple choice question. Now general awareness, static GK, dynamic GK, CA means current affairs, geography, polity, history, economics, science, PCB, physics, chemistry, biology, books and author means everything important scheme, sport, CM, governor, tiger reserve, century. Book and author dances atamlu tukringo general awareness quantitative aptitude nakindawa reloten huwa ka muchaunga and English comprehension reading comprehension fill in the blank spelling mistake clause test synonym antonym idiom phrases one word substitution chuan in sentence correction achuak all these type po in shelu tukanga tiang thelichu caution a vine za achuakanga okay this Tier 1 consists of 100 question and every question contain 2 marks. Say every question contain 2 marks. So twin can multiply 50, 50, 50, 50. It means 200 marks examination and first tier and time allowed is 1 hour. There will be negative marking of 0.5 marks. Yes. Hemi pohidika 25% ankatang. Pakhati dikchuan 2 marks. But pakhat laut diklaw ta ila hetatrang yan 0.5 unpaid yang so effective engzat nge pakhaten te diklawa pakhat laut dikta ula and pakhat laut diklaw le ngalula anuwa mo so it means you will get 2 chutatrang chun 0.5 kan pay de nga 1.5 in score. This is the scheme of tier 2 examination session wise le section wise tihian kan ananga mathematics 30 questions sa chuak china and 1 question 3 marks. Reasoning 30 questions sa chuakanga 1 question 3 marks. So vine 30 plus 30 somrukanya they will carry 3 marks through. So 63s are za somriat. Section 2 English and general awareness. So 45 question into 3 25 question into 3 Urdu le tihian 45 plus 25 70 questions sa chuakanga section 2 and they will carry 3 marks. So 210. Belila 180 le 210. Zathum somkua and merit will be formed by using this marks 390. Tier 1 mi marks an titel ngai lawa final merit lisa. Section 3 Computer Knowledge Test. Section 4 Data Entry Speed Test. So these two tests are qualifying in nature. 390 and add vedon laushim shim. These marks. Paper 2 hichu. This is not for all aspirants. Only for JSO examination. And time allowed here poimo vemo time allowed hai 60 questions for 1 hour. for each section antia. That's why heta English le GK po hi 70 questions for 1 hour. GI and reasoning these will be the topics which will be asked in the examination. Verbal le non-verbal type. And it includes analogies, similarities and differences at tamno tuka nang manin in chiar the. Okay. Pattern folding, paper folding, coding, decoding, number series, classification, Venn diagrams, statement conclusion, everything. General awareness MIZO kashilto chawatro history, culture, geography, economic scene, general policy, scientific research, science of physics, chemistry, biology, important government schemes tapo engkimin check vekangayang. Quantitative aptitude thildang engma nilawa Mizoram group B le hemi hi anin ang chia thilthar engmaamlo. Okay, maseng yes. Algebra, geometry hitlemin an englo deutrin SSC achon mo question chuak tam trina. Advanced mathematics atrangin. English comprehension sentence correction, one word substitutions ami pohi engkim anin angvek. An educational qualification bachelor degree holders can apply this examination. Okay, all bachelor degree. And JSO class 12 60% marks should be there in mathematics. 60% marks score mi alochuna poilawa. There is another way. Bachelor's degree chuta statistics subject pakhat nge turani. The most important one is other post. All other post chun engma class 10 le 12 just past 33% point score chuna poilawa. Now cut off hi poimo vea in mutenga JSO ST adang hawichuka focus lutuklaunga ST 135 and total candidate available 1935. Okay, after first year examination. Hemi for the post of statistical investigator ani ST 134.49 chupo out of 200 vakanyo. And the last one, this one. This is the general all the posts ang khania ST Zale Som Pakhat 0.88930. Vine 16,000 candidates were available. Means after tier 1 examination. So 200 Zale Som Pakhat 0.88. This was the data of 2024. And 2025 post somewhere around this aniyang. For ST, OBC 146 and General 153. Exat candidates in applied Chinashim in Hame examination from all over the India. 34,83,411 in an apply. Apply katinyo means unregister. But appeared, number of appeared hauka only 18,13,060. So hangay to achinto. Hemi hi exat nge a half 17 throw. So somewhere around 51 to 52% in an exam. 50 eheta po yan an low mention na hi overall percent of attendance 52% anicho. So han ngay to achintaw chan ven an exam mialaw. Now questions kamu chawng what type of questions are asked in SSC CGL Hemi 2024 tier 1 examination niya engkim anin ang vekanya hay kamuang chaw reasoning question niya insolve ngai lutuk trot yang chu seems like questions adang po reasoning questions. Question number 3 hai. In practice one lay in solve and one more thing strategy best strategy ka shil chaunga tam thayang perin previous year question solve la hunchu tlem hunchu tamlu tuklawa 63 to 64 65 days chi abanga maseng thaichuan tam thayang perin a mirror image type question po water image po paper cutting paper folding embedded figure tiang po hitro nimina po PHE exam tiang question hi chuaka. Okay, hey tiang po hilar lutuka thaichuan nang mani in all the previous year question try ula and these are the GK questions. Okay, and chinta which of the following has the highest salinity? Lake Van. Which of the following social reformers of 19th century India was the author of Sri Purush Tulan? Harale is festival of greenery. All these questions. Midday meal. Which state initiated the implementation of the midday meal scheme in elementary school Tamil Nadu? Enge mange wicket keeper omtrin cricket atro. AU is the symbol of which chemical element? So gold and yeah. The Indian struggle author Subhash Chandra Bose. Article based on article pochuaka in exam the. It is not that much difficult and maths pohilaw enolahai algebra quotient, pipe and cistern, ratio and proportion, okay, average quotient and yeah, trigonometry, area and perimeter, algebra, successive discount, and English poka muchaunga. These are the English questions, hey. Their sporting achievements at the highest level are being utterly ignored. Now, hami utterly hi antonyme minimally. Tro hey minimally. In muthenga enkim, your so-called friend has cooked your goose. So in this case, appropriate meaning of the phrase in bold. Antonym of risible. Kina tier 2 point download and enchin ya. This is a very interesting examination. Kay man ka request chow poisa cheng khat po ngai don lawa. Simply it is a golden opportunity we khat kasay lenga 14,582. So in apply nge don ya. Thank you so much for watching this video.